Hi Pink Angels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about some of my tips and ideas on how to stay healthy and motivated. These are just some of the things that I do to feel amazing and feel really inspired and healthy, and I hope these help you guys out as well. So before we get started, please do make sure to leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel. It really would help me out if you subscribed. My name is Amy and I post lots of pretty pink lifestyle, fashion and beauty content. So if you do subscribe, then welcome to my Pink Angel family. I'm so happy that you're here with me and I really hope you're enjoying my videos. And also if you feel like following me on Instagram as well, it's at aloha_amy_, and there's always lots of pretty pink content on there and I love chatting to you guys on there, so definitely make sure that you give me a little follow. So I want to say hello to all of my new subscribers as well. I have quite a few, so welcome to you guys. I really appreciate you subscribing and I hope you're enjoying my videos, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started with today's video. So just a little disclaimer before I really get started. I am not a professional, I'm not PT or a dietitian or a chef or anything like that. These are just some of the things that I personally do that make me feel good and healthy, and that's why I was hoping to inspire you guys, because I know that you have asked for these kind of videos and I really hope that you understand that I'm not an expert, so just bear that in mind. These are just some things that I personally do and I hope that it does motivate you and make you feel inspired as well. The first tip is definitely to eat a healthy breakfast every single day. I never used to eat breakfast. I just didn't like eating in the mornings, and I still don't really like eating in the mornings, but I try and make myself because I know that I will get hungry later, so it is much better to get up and have a nice healthy breakfast which will make me feel full for longer and give me lots of energy to start my day. So some of the breakfasts that I really like to have are yogurt, granola and fruit. I always incorporate some type of fruit into my breakfast. I also really like banana cinnamon toast. Again, I've mentioned this loads of times on my channel, but I really love banana cinnamon toast. I also use like wholemeal toast with like seeds and healthy goodness in it. But yeah, I really like banana cinnamon toast. It's really yummy and it definitely fills me up as well. And I also have a big glass of lemon water with my breakfast at all times. That is one of my huge tips, to always eat your breakfast because you will feel so much fuller until lunchtime. So my second tip is to plan your meals in advance if you can. So I know that a lot of people do meal prepping. Personally, I don't do that because I do live with my family and it's just something that we don't do, but I can see myself meal prepping in the future when I live by myself. Quite often during the week when I'm at work, I work over dinner time, so it's really important for me to plan my meals in advance for that and prepare them, because otherwise it's really easy to just pick something quick and easy and unhealthy, and I don't want to do that. I want to stay feeling good, so I plan my meals. And this week I made myself some really nice salmon and vegetables. That was delicious. I just put some maple syrup and some olive oil and sesame seeds and sea salt and pepper on my fish, popped it in the oven, took it out 5 minutes before, put a little bit more maple syrup on it, and that's when I sprinkled my sesame seeds on, put it back in the oven, and it tasted amazing. You could have that with any type of vegetables, potatoes, loads of really yummy things, and that was a really quick, easy meal which I just put in the oven at work. Luckily we have an oven. Planning your meals is really important because it is really easy to fall into a trap of just grabbing something quick, which is normally quite unhealthy. So that is what I do. I think about what I'm going to eat before. Third tip is to drink lots of water. I am always hydrating. I am obsessed with water. Like, I just love water. Other than coffee, I only drink water. I mean, at parties I might have a champagne or two or 10, but water every day, that is what I always drink, and I love water. I know some people don't like the taste of it or whatever, but I really do like it. So I highly recommend drinking a lot of water. So I drink about 4 to 5 of these a day. As part of the Fitbit app, you can actually track your water intake, which is really good as well. So I can make sure that every single day I'm drinking enough But yeah, I just really like drinking water, and I highly recommend getting a really good water bottle because then that makes you want to drink it more because it's pretty. So this one I found in Sainsbury's. It's from a brand called Smash, and when I went into Sainsbury's these were actually all on sale, so you definitely go and check them out. But they have like rose gold and loads of different colours, but I chose this really pretty baby pink ombre, of course, and it's metal, so it's really good for the environment, and this just makes it so much easier for me to drink plenty of water and keep track of that. And I just noticed that when I drink plenty of water, my skin looks better, I feel better, and I just feel more energized. Tip is about finding inspiration, so this can be for workouts, healthy recipes, or like activewear kind of ideas, different things like that. I just think it's really good to look up things on Pinterest and YouTube, look up different ideas, what people are doing, see what people are making for their healthy meals or their workouts, things like that. I just think it helps to go on Pinterest and get some ideas. In my spare time, I really love just watching YouTube videos about healthy lifestyles and different cooking things that you can do, and Pinterest as well, it's great for that. I love testing out new recipes and things like that, and YouTube is also a great place because there are people who are experts in that, like personal trainers and things like that, who can provide you with probably better tips than me. I'm just me, I'm not a professional like I said, but definitely do check out different people's channels and watch some fun videos about staying healthy, and just getting inspired from other people as well is really, really good and really motivating. So my fifth tip is making sure that you feel good. So for me, healthiness is all about how I feel. I feel so much better when I eat healthy foods and make sure that I'm getting enough exercise, and that is for me the most important thing because I want to feel like I have plenty of energy, and eating right and drinking enough water and getting enough exercise, that is what makes me feel amazing and confident and happy. So that is one of my huge tips, is to just focus on how you feel and feeling amazing, because it feels really good when you're feeling healthy and confident. So definitely that is one of my biggest motivations, is just feeling great. So my sixth point is about being dairy free. So for me, I am either intolerant to dairy or lactose, I'm not sure which, but I just know that when I eat anything with dairy in it, it makes me feel really, really sick. So it's totally not worth it. I haven't had dairy in I think around 2 years now, and I feel so much better for it, and I found some really good alternatives, and I thought I would share some of them with you. So in my house, if I'm having like carbonara pasta or cereal or anything like where you would normally use milk or cream, I use soy milk, and it tastes the same. Notice any difference? It tastes really, really good, and I feel better after eating it, so it's a win for me. The same with yogurt. I like the Alpro soy yogurt, which I mentioned that I have for breakfast. It tastes so good. The vanilla one is definitely my favourite, although the blueberry one is also delicious. Not such a big fan of the coconut one, but vanilla and blueberry, fabulous. They taste really good and they don't make me feel sick, so again, love that. And then if I want a treat ice cream wise, the Swedish glass ice cream is fabulous. It's made with soy as well. I do not notice a difference. I gave this to my dad, who is not dairy free, and I just didn't tell him and he didn't even notice. So that is literally, it tastes the exact same. Also vegan magnums, they also taste the same. They're so good. You are also allowed to still treat yourself, obviously, but yeah, those are really good alternatives. And if I'm in Starbucks or Costa or something and I'm having a coffee, then I really like to have almond milk with my coffee. I just think it tastes so good. The only thing dairy free wise that I don't think they've nailed is vegan cheese. If you live in the UK and you found a vegan cheese that tastes really good, then please do let me know, because I haven't found a good one yet. They all taste and smell like plastic. Sometimes I like to make a pita bread pizza. I'll just take a little pita bread, toast it, and then pop a little bit of tomato sauce with some veggies and lovely things like that. And I tried it with the vegan cheese, but it's just not very good, so it's better without. And if I have pizza for dinner, I normally just ask for it without cheese. The only place that I like vegan cheese is in Zzz's because it's quite good there, but it is a funny texture. So if you have any recommendations for vegan cheese, then please let me know, because it's not the best, I don't think anyway. But yeah, overall I think dairy-free alternatives are really, really good. They're definitely getting better. It's getting much easier to be dairy-free. If I'm in a restaurant, I just pick something which doesn't have any dairy in it. Normally it would be like a cheeseburger and I just have it without cheese. It's really quite easy actually, and it's just, I feel so much better not eating it. I would rather just avoid it at all costs. So onto workouts. I have posted previously a video showing you my Victoria's Secret Angel inspired workout routine. I will link that right here for you. I really like to just switch up my workout routines. Sometimes I will look things up on Pinterest and YouTube and get different ideas. I use my Fitbit. That really helps me to stay motivated. It tells me at the gym like what my heart rate is and things like that. It's super helpful to keep track of my fitness. I try to go to the gym a good few times a week because I really like getting dressed up for the gym, and I just really like how I feel when I exercise. You do feel so much better, and I like to mix up my workouts. So different things, I'll do some cardio, some weights, some like sit-ups and ab exercises and things like that. I like to mix it up, and I think it's really good if you have a friend or family member to go to the gym with you. That is always really motivating because you can motivate each other. If you're still not sure what to do at the gym, then maybe going to classes is a good idea for you. There's so many options out there, so they all sound like so much fun. So definitely classes are a good shout as well if you are wanting to get into fitness but you're just not really sure where to start. I would say going to maybe like yoga or Zumba or something like that would be really fun because you get to meet new people and you also get to exercise. Okay, so finally I just have to say that I hope this helped you. All of these ideas are just to kind of help motivate and inspire you guys to be healthy and live your best life. I think that it's so important to just focus on how you feel and being happy, and when I eat healthy, exercise and just take care of myself overall, it makes me feel so much better. I feel happy and amazing and confident, and I just wanted to help you guys out and hopefully inspire you to do the same. So like I mentioned, I'm not a professional, I'm not an expert, I'm just me trying to live my best life, and I want you guys to live your best lives as well. So I hope this video did help to inspire and motivate you, and if it did, then please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! By the way, lots of exciting videos coming up. I know you love a haul, so there'll be one coming very soon.